shit.
That's what I'm talking about.
Wait.
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hit it, boys.
Welcome to the show, starring the 2019 Palazzo from Thor Motor Coach. This is it, the diesel pusher that strikes all the right chords. Take center stage from the driver's seat, where the one-touch auto leveling jacks, touchscreen dash radio with navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and backup and side view camera monitor are all at your fingertips. You'll even find room for your favorite drink and all your gear. Check out this duo, the flip-down workstation and the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot. This means safe, secure internet no matter where you are, so you can stay connected, even stream a favorite show. Now those same seats swivel around and perfectly blend into your living area. Now you have a front row seat for all the action, or for simply relaxing with the electric fireplace with heater. You have an extraordinary ensemble of seating and sleeping options. The Palazzo offers theater seats across from the retractable TV with Blu-ray player and Bluetooth soundbar. You also have a booth dinette and sofa, both great for work or play, and both make into beds. When everyone's tempo slows for the day, the Palazzo comes standard with a drop-down overhead bunk and even offers a bunkhouse model. Improvise in the kitchen with the stainless steel fridge with ice maker, 2-burner electric induction cooktop, convection microwave, and a large double-bowl stainless steel sink set into solid surface countertops. With available bath and a half floor plans, the restrooms are ready when it's time to solo. You'll find an oversized shower with glass door, and your water never runs cold with the tankless hot water, and the 360 siphon keeps your bath fresh. We all need an interlude. Some bedrooms in the Palazzo offer a tilt-a-view king bed, others a queen bed. Be sure to pack your favorite threads. You'll find a large wardrobe with all the hanging space you could ask for. Or if you want to stay in bed all day, lay back and catch up on your favorite shows. The multiplex wiring system with its 7-inch full-color touchscreen is also app-enabled and offers up an amazing arrangement of features. So from inside or out, control and monitor every feature of your Palazzo. Like power, check on the 50-amp shore power, or set the auto gen start for your quiet diesel generator. Control your slides, check your tank levels, even dim the lights. The Palazzo does not miss a beat when it comes to storage. Behind the high-gloss cabinetry, room for all your gear, and even a stackable washer and dryer. Take 5 under the power patio. Here, you have a TV on a swivel, complete with Bluetooth-controlled soundbar. The Palazzo loves a sunny day as much as you. That's why a 100-watt solar charging system with power controller comes standard. There's even room for 2 more panels. On the exterior, the Palazzo steals the spotlight with its new one-piece front and rear caps. The full body paint shines, and storage is a monster with basement pass-through and easy slide storage trays. The Cummins ISB 6.7-liter works in perfect harmony with the 6-speed Allison transmission. And with air ride suspension, a 10,000-pound hitch, and a solid, strong and true Atlas foundation, your Palazzo hits the perfect stride on every road trip, every time. The Palazzo from Thor Motor Coach. It's a showstopper. Find the Palazzo floor plan made to fit you at thormotorcoach.com.